water on the trail. Luckily, it's not muddy. We are going to on the way to the waterfall. But it's not too bad, thank goodness. I thought it's going to be super muddy. I bought an extra pair of shoes as well, and I got a hiking stick.
As we go along the path here, you can see it's getting a little tougher, but still definitely manageable.
Man, look at all these trees.
Yeah.
It looks pretty.
It's called a forest. Keep going.
Like a forest? Man, it's getting cooler. The temperature at least, I would say 5-degree drop. Let's do this, Eric. We made it! Woo!
Just put your feet in the little holes.
Oh my God, they made these holes. Yeah, looks like it. Through the mud. If you follow those holes, it's actually not too bad. See, I do better when I do uphill than downhill. Ooh, be careful. I can see when it rains, must suck here for sure. We're not. The weather has been really good. I'm just happy that we are still here. No mud, no people, barely have people, so it's not crowded. My hiking experience in Waimea Canyon, I would say my recommendation is cool, but bring your hiking stick. It's just so much easier that way. All right, we got 45 more minutes. So we're gonna go up for another 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna go down for another 30. That's what the guy told us. It's marching on, guys. Victory is near, 45 minutes near.
You can see here it's a little more of an elevation. We're walking up here.
Down there. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Are we close to the waterfall?
Not that close.
No,
Yeah.
like half an hour, 40 minutes?
It took us an hour to get down there.
Yeah, totally from the starting point.
Oh,
Yeah,
it'll be a while.
3/4 way.
All right, sounds good.
Getting close though, right?
Yes, getting close.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See ya.
That's right.
We noticed you took your jacket off. What happened?
Yeah, it got really hot. And think about that. We are now on our way to waterfall. So just
Look at
really
these signs
excited.
here.
hazardous cliff.
Must be
This
coming up.
trail contains this hazardous ground break, may grade, flash flooding, all the warning signs. No diving or jumping. I think the waterfall is closed. Morning.
Good morning.
I know, it's smart to have sticks, right?
Hey, you're gonna be thankful so many times.
I didn't get a stick.
I feel like I could sell mine for about $50 right now, you know?
Yeah. All right, we're about 200 yards away from the lookout. You can tell the trail's getting a lot more flat, much easier. If you take this trail, this is exactly what you'll see, is what we are showing you right now. But it's the best is to experience it yourself, but at least you'll get a pretty good idea of what it looks like.
What to expect, yeah.
And we'll record this whole section here.
Oh wow, that is kind of nice. You get another view of the canyon, basically. Obviously it's pretty steep, so don't go off the rail, guys.
We'll stop at the very top there and I'll scan it so you can kind of see. This is taking us about 45 minutes to walk up here.
Wow, you get much
All
closer.
right, I'm gonna show you guys two views here. One, underneath here. You can see that's where we came from. Keep walking here. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to hit those like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Thanks a lot. All right, Longery, let's get a picture here. Let me show this. Check that out. That's pretty neat.
It's still 360.
You can see there's a helicopter in the background there. I guess they do these helicopter tours.
About $250 a person.
Are you sure it's $250?
Yep, I saw the price.
All right, so there you go. All right, I think a pretty good idea of what to expect if you get here. This is exactly what you'll see from the lookout point. As I said, you can kind of see this is the trail. Here's the view.
Already.
We're gonna head on now to the waterfall, which I believe is another 30 minutes. How you feeling, Longery?
My quad is
Tell the
still,
worldwide viewers
the quad is
how you're
still,
holding up.
The quad is still sore, but I still can continue.
And why is your quad sore?
Because I just finished my Honolulu marathon 2 days ago, so I'm still in the recovery mode. That's the reason why
Okay.
I need my hiking stick.
Went through yet. Here we go. Look at these roots and how they turn. If it was muddy, this would be definitely difficult. In this circumstance, it's not muddy, so we're fine. But if you come here on a muddy day, be aware. It's gonna be holding up the line. Keep moving.
Sorry.
No worries, no worries at all. Take
I just did my Honolulu marathon, still recovery, so my
Oh yeah,
quad
no,
is,
no rush.
it's very sore right now.
I was water skiing yesterday.
Oh, we can even hear the waterfall already. Is it? Oh.
What the hell? Can you see where you're going?
Yeah, I see where I'm going.
This is a little tight corner here. Once again, because it's not muddy, it's not bad at all. As you can see. See how tight that is?
Yay, we're getting one step closer to the waterfall. Woohoo. Alrighty. Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you, you too.
Okay.
How much closer to the waterfall?
Oh, super close,
like
maybe not real.
Not too
20
far.
minutes.
Okay,
Thank you.
great, thanks.
Got a boulder.
Here we are, we're in a boulder section. See if Longery can figure her way out of this one using her sticks.
Yeah, looks like
Which way are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go this way.
You sure that's the best way?
Yeah. Maybe that one. I don't know.
Well, that doesn't look like the best way you picked right there. You better try going that way.
Yeah, this is the best
There
way.
you go.
Good pace. 15 more
Longree's really picked up her pace this last few 10 minutes.
15 more minutes.
Oh, this is...
Wow, look at how close we are to the cave. Let's take a quick video.
Sure. There's a good place to take a picture.
Yeah, that's half the cliff. Just don't
Pause
get
this
too
for a
close.
second. This is the view at one of the main top spots from the trail that we've been taking for a while. Now you see how close we are to the edge here. You can't get too close, obviously. You're right there. Here we are. There's a helicopter flying over the... I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll try to get it for you. But sometimes they have helicopter tours. So I don't know if you see that in the distance. You can obviously hear it. Everyone likes to take pictures over this side. This is a nice view here. As I said, we're walking along this trail and see how close we are to the edge, yet not going over. It's not muddy, but if this was muddy, this would be a big challenge. Ooh.
Yes.
Did you kiss the dirt? What was it like?
That walking stick doesn't really help.
No, keep going.
My shoes is kind of a slippery. Did you catch it?
No, I don't think I did get all of it actually.
No?
I don't know. I know.
No, you took
Because I was
my-
turning the other way.
No. Let's go this way.
You'll have to fall down again.
No.
Now I'm ready. Kind of a weird shape. Check this out. It's real hilly. And there's not a real path, but you kind of make your own to get to there. This is giving Longry a little bit of a challenge.
It's just really slippery, I feel. Where's the trail?
This is the trail.
I think that's easier that way, no? Finally, we're almost here.
It's a nice view here. Ooh, look out. Whoa. Ooh, I got that one. But you didn't get hurt.
Careful, Eric.
There's that helicopter again.
All right, video. Eric coming down here. Hopefully, he'll be okay. See, there's an easy way to go that way, I think. The waterfall. Everybody try to climb down, and then we have to go across. Oh, we don't go across. We just go down.
wait.
No, you go ahead. I was just
I'm
looking.
just waiting on her to come back.
When she comes back, I'll go back there. It looks scary to me.
That's it.
Laying with my lady on that river bank, she looked over lazy and she gave me a wink. She said there's no sense of working if it's just damn hot. So dip your toes in the water, baby, this is the spot. Well, it feels good, good, good. Yes, it feels right, right, right. Well, it feels good, good, good. So we're gonna lay back and let it ride.